What are you cooking, Tim?
I just told you. I'm cooking Malaysian peanut satay pork chops from Karen down the road.
Wow.
I was going to make orange pork chops, but I just thought this would be a bit simpler.
Nice. O, di ba?
But I still might fry them, brown them, rubbed in corn flour. So it just gives a nice texture.
Sounds good. O, di ba? Siya talaga ang nagluluto. Hindi ako marunong magluto eh. So, siya na lang. Mas masarap pa yung luto niya kaysa sa akin. So, go. Di ba?